What's the reason?
The issue here is me and a child. Fatherhood. That's what I'm trying to cope with, and Brooke has nothing to do with that.
I know that's the way you see it, Rich.
No, it's not just the way I see it. It's the way things are.
For you, yes, but not for Brooke. I mean, she has an entirely different agenda, and if you don't recognize that...
Of course I recognize it. I know what Brooke's after here. She has the hots for me. I realize that. But I can't let that bother me. Look, I'm swimming upstream against a very strong current here. I'm recently a father to a daughter who doesn't even live with me. Look, I'm just trying to cope here. And on top of everything, I've got a major fashion show coming up. It's stress time, Doc.
I'm sorry.
And I know that things are tough for you, too.
But it's nothing like what you're going through. It's just that a child is something so intimate. It's such a perfect symbol of love, and I wanted to be the first one to give that to you. And I know it sounds really selfish, but I feel cheated and robbed of an expression of love. You and Brooke share something that you and I should share, and I'm really having trouble rising above it.
I think that you need to focus on the positive things that we do share. Our home, our life together, those are ours. Brooke has nothing to do with those. That's only a start. There are lots of things that you and I share together. Just the two of us.
Like what?
Like this.
What else?
This.
Anything else?